In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create tags in a form in Brevo. Tags are helpful because they let you organize contacts based on how they entered your marketing list. In this tutorial, you will add a tag using a form so that when someone submits the form, Brevo can label that contact correctly. To begin, open your Brevo dashboard. From there, go to Marketing and then choose Forms. You are going to land in the area where all of your existing forms are managed, and where you can create new sign-up forms that collect the information you need. Once you are on the Forms page, look for the option to create a new form. Click Create a Sign-up Form. This is the step that starts the setup of a form designed for collecting sign-ups. If you already see a form you want to reuse, you could, but the instructions here are focused on creating a new sign-up form from scratch, so follow along with that flow. After you click Create a Sign-up Form, you will typically be taken through a short setup process. Next, advance to the Design step. The Design step is where you control the layout and choose which fields appear to the user. It is also where you will add the subscription block that allows you to connect your form to your tagging or list behavior. When you reach the Design step, you will notice a left panel that contains blocks you can drag into your form. This panel is your toolbox for building the form. Take a moment to scan what is available so you can quickly find the correct block. You are looking specifically for the multi-list subscription block. Now drag the multi-list subscription block from the left panel into the form. As you drag, focus on placing it in the correct area of the form where you want the subscription options to appear. If the interface highlights a location or shows where the block will fit, use that guidance. This matters because it affects how the form displays and how the user will select the subscription options during sign-up. Once the multi-list subscription block is in the form, you may see that the form updates to include the subscription section. At this stage, the block is added, and you are ready for the next parts of configuring how tagging should work. Even though the instructions stop here, you have completed the most important setup action, placing the right subscription component into your form design. To make sure you are on the right track, check that the multi-list subscription block is visible inside the form editor. You want it to be clearly present, not just hovering in the panel. If it is visible in the form, you have successfully dragged it into place. With the block added, you have set up the structure needed to create tag behavior tied to form submissions. The form can now capture multi-list or subscription choices, and those selections are what typically drive tagging logic in your marketing automation. That covers everything you need to know for this portion of the setup, and that is all there is to it.